Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth problem. If your Bluetooth is not working, devices are not connecting in your Samsung device, how you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. First we have to go to the settings option, then swipe down. You can just search it in the search bar and swipe down. You can see there is about phone. Click in the reset. Here it is. Swipe down. You can see there is a reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. Click on it and reset this. Your Bluetooth has been resetted and now it is fully working. And if it is not, then you have to just press on power button and restart your phone. It will definitely work on your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.